So you have been exchanging snaps back and forth with your friend on Snapchat and you have built together a pretty decent snap streak, but suddenly now you have lost it and you want to know how can you recover it. You are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and make sure you have the Snapchat app updated to the latest version for everything to go smoothly and for everything to work properly in this video. So after that, you can finally go ahead and open Snapchat. And then from here, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile in the top left corner. So tap on your Bitmoji right there. And then you need to go ahead and tap on your gear icon in the top right corner to go to settings. So go ahead and open settings from there. And then from settings, what you need to do is to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom. And as you can see here, we have a section named I lost my snap streak. Don't worry, that one doesn't even solve your problem. So let's go back from there. And what you need to do is to tap on I need help right under it right there. So once you tap there, it will take you to this screen. Tap on I lost my snap streak. Now from here, you need to go ahead and tap on I'm having trouble restoring my snap streak in the app. Then from here, scroll down a little bit and then tap on the X button right next to this question that says was this helpful. Now from here, what you need to do is to go ahead and tap on this little link right here that says this forum. It will give you basically a forum that you need to fill up your information in. So scroll down right here and you find the forum. From here, type your username and your email, your mobile number, your device, and the friend's username that you have exchanged these snap streaks with. And then from there, you can go ahead and type in multiple information about the incident and describe your problem for the Snapchat team. And they should restore your snap streak with your friend in a short amount of time. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.